Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon and tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. The first step, go to tools, go to adjust, decrease little brightness, increase little contrast, tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now you have to go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, try to select sitting pose model image. Okay, you have to erase the background. Now go to cutout, tap on outline. Now you have to draw around the border of the model image. Okay, have to draw around the model image. Follow each and every single step. Okay, now tap on arrow. Friends, it is how it look like after erasing the background. Now have to arrange your model on the table like this. Okay, arrange your model on the table like this perfectly. Now have to go to adjust, decrease little brightness and decrease little temperature and decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow. Now tap on tick. Now tap on shadow, tap on position, keep it 100, keep it 100. Now tap on adjust, make it 100 and keep it around 15 or 20 like this. Okay, 15 is good. Now tap on tick mark. Now I have to go to tools, tap on crop, tap on this portrait and you have to arrange it like this. Perfect. Tap on tick. The next step, you have to go to add photo and select the PNGs one by one. And first I am going to arrange the table in the center like this. Perfect. Now how to arrange the cake on the table. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, I have to add the balloons. Go to add photo. Okay, simply arrange these balloons in this portion and this also you have to arrange in this portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now go to add photo and select the frame PNG and we have to arrange one frame here. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate, arrange one here. And it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to add the model images. Go to add photo. Friends, these are the model images. Now we are going to arrange one by one. Okay, simply arrange in the frame like this. Friends, finally it is done. Now tap on tick. The next step, I have to add the model name. Go to text. This is the model name. Go to this up pink mark, tap on my fonts and select the road rage font. I will give this font link in the description. Now I have to arrange the model name in the center like this. Tap on this shadow. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now again go to text. I have to write the happy birthday. Now tap on tick. And you have to select this Signatra demo font. I will give this font link in the description. Okay, simply arrange in the below like this. Now tap on shadow. Okay, perfect. We can arrange it in this portion. Now tap on tick. The next step, we have to add the light PNGs and the decoration. Okay, go to add photo. These are the 3 light PNGs. The first red light PNG, go to blend, make it screen, and you have to arrange on the bottom portion, and go to opacity, decrease the little opacity. Perfect. Now tap on blue light, go to blend, make it screen, go to opacity, decrease opacity, and view on the right side. Perfect. Now tap on this light PNG, go to blend, make it screen, and arrange the left side like this. Now tap on it. The next step, we have to add the decoration PNG. Go to add photo, and this is the PNG. Now go to FX, tap on this blur, tap on this blur option, and tap on tick, decrease the opacity, and arrange in this portion. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate, and arrange another one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. The next step, you have to save this image in the PicsArt application, and you have to take this image to the Snapseed app. See you there. Open Snapseed application, tap on this plus icon and add a model image. This is the image. Now tap on pencil, have to go to tune image, increase the brightness, increase the contrast little bit, saturation little bit, little ambience, little highlights, decrease a little shadow, view little warmth. Tap on tick mark. Now tap on pencil, have to go to vignette tool and zoom out and give this vignette effect. Tap on tick. Now tap on pencil, go to portrait, tap on this combo 2 and decrease little bit, give 5, and skin smoothing to the 100. Now tap on tick mark. You have to save this image in Snapseed app, and you have to take this image to the Lightroom application. See you there. Save this image. Open Lightroom app, tap on this add photo and select the image which we edited in Snapseed app. Tap on add photos, select the image. Now tap on this auto adjust. Now go to here, tap on this colors, select the second color, give the luminance a little bit, saturation little bit. Select the first color, give the saturation, decrease the hue. Now give every color a little saturation, green, aqua, blue, pink. Now tap on done. Now go to here, give little texture, clarity little bit, little dehaze, decrease little vignette. Go to here, give the noise reduction at 20 and color noise reduction also 20. Tap on it. This is the before image, this is the final output. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Happy birthday photo editing tutorial. Tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.